If you're a man over 60, you might think that wrinkles, stiff joints, and sluggish nights are just part of getting older. But what if I told you there's a hidden enemy silently accelerating those changes? That enemy is collagen loss, and it starts earlier than most men realize. By your mid-50s, your body produces nearly 50% less collagen than it did in your youth. This isn't just about skin looking older. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your joints cushioned, your skin firm, and your muscles supported. Without enough of it, you're more likely to wake up with stiffness in your knees, notice your skin sagging faster, and feel drained when you should be enjoying your golden years. The danger: collagen decline doesn't happen overnight. It's slow, subtle, and often ignored. Many men treat it only as a cosmetic problem, focusing on creams or lotions. But the truth is, if you don't address collagen loss from within, no amount of surface treatment will give you lasting results. Even worse, certain lifestyle habits, like eating refined carbs, skipping healthy fats, and not getting enough protein, can cause collagen breakdown to happen even faster. This can speed up joint wear, deepen wrinkles, and rob you of the nighttime vitality that makes you feel truly alive. I've spoken with countless men in their 60s and 70s who assumed these problems were permanent. They thought there was no turning back. But what they didn't realize was that the body has an incredible ability to restart collagen production if you give it the right fuel. And here's where things get interesting. New research shows that specific natural foods can act like collagen triggers, signaling your body to make more of this vital protein. Among these, 3 humble but powerful nuts stand out, not just for their collagen-boosting potential, but for their ability to improve skin, joints, and even nighttime energy. One of them can help your skin stay firm by supplying copper and healthy fats. Another reduces joint inflammation while providing the building blocks for new collagen fibers. And the third, it's packed with plant-based omega-3s that not only protect your collagen, but also enhance circulation for better nighttime performance. Most men don't realize how easy it is to add these nuts into their diet. No expensive supplements, no complicated recipes. Just small daily servings can make a real difference you can see and feel. In the next section, I'll reveal exactly what these 3 nuts are, why they're a collagen powerhouse, and how they can help you look younger, move better, and feel more alive, even after 60. Let's start with the first nut, cashews. These creamy, slightly sweet nuts are far more than just a tasty snack. Cashews are one of the best natural sources of copper, a mineral your body needs to activate enzymes that build collagen. Without enough copper, your collagen production slows and your skin loses elasticity. Cashews also contain healthy monounsaturated fats that nourish your skin from within, giving it a natural glow. For your joints, those fats help keep inflammation in check, making daily movement feel smoother. Next up, walnuts. Often called brain food because of their shape, walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats reduce chronic inflammation, the same inflammation that can eat away at collagen and cause your joints to ache. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect collagen fibers from oxidative damage. That means not only will your skin stay firmer, but your connective tissues, like ligaments and cartilage, will stay stronger for longer. Finally, we have flax seeds, a true underdog in the nut and seed family. Flax seeds are tiny, but they're nutritional giants. Packed with plant-based omega-3s and lignans, a powerful type of antioxidant, flax seeds help protect your collagen from breaking down. They also improve blood circulation, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to your skin and joints. Better circulation means better oxygen delivery, which in turn supports nighttime recovery, helping you wake up refreshed instead of stiff and drained. Together, these 3 foods form a collagen-boosting trifecta. Cashews supply the minerals needed to create collagen. Walnuts defend existing collagen from inflammation and oxidation. Flax seeds keep your blood flowing so collagen can be delivered where it's needed most. Science backs this up. Studies have shown that diets rich in nuts and seeds can help maintain skin thickness, reduce joint pain, and even slow visible signs of aging. And because these foods are also rich in protein, they provide amino acids, another essential ingredient for building collagen. But here's the best part. You don't need massive amounts. Just a handful of cashews, a small serving of walnuts, and a sprinkle of flax seeds daily can set off a chain reaction in your body, boosting collagen production, protecting your skin's firmness, keeping your joints flexible, and enhancing the energy you feel at night. In the next section, I'll explain how these nuts actually work inside your body to keep you young, the biochemical processes they trigger, and why men over 60 can benefit from them more than almost any other food group. When you eat cashews, walnuts, and flax seeds, you're not just giving your body calories, you're delivering a targeted set of nutrients that work together like a well-trained team. Let's break down exactly what happens after you eat them. First, cashews. The copper in cashews acts as a cofactor for an enzyme called lysyl oxidase. This enzyme is critical for linking collagen fibers together, giving your skin strength and elasticity. Think of it like the rivets that hold steel beams together in a skyscraper. Without copper, the structure weakens. Cashews also contain zinc, which is necessary for wound healing and skin repair, meaning your body can replace damaged collagen faster. Then we have walnuts. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts reduce the production of inflammatory molecules called cytokines. Too many cytokines lead to collagen breakdown and stiff joints. Walnuts also contain ellagic acid, an antioxidant that shields collagen from UV damage, a key factor in preventing premature skin aging. Even your bones benefit, because stronger collagen means better bone matrix integrity, which is essential for preventing fractures after 60. Flax seeds complete the picture. The plant-based omega-3s, ALA, in flax seeds are converted into EPA and DHA in your body, fats that enhance cell membrane health. This makes your skin cells plumper and your joint tissues more flexible. Flax seeds' lignans also help balance hormones, especially testosterone, which can indirectly support muscle tone and nighttime energy. Balanced hormones mean your body can allocate more resources toward tissue repair, including collagen synthesis, while you sleep. Here's the big connection. Collagen is only as strong as the blood supply feeding it. If your circulation is poor, your collagen fibers, whether in your skin, joints, or muscles, can't get the nutrients they need. The healthy fats in these nuts improve blood vessel flexibility, lowering the risk of plaque buildup and ensuring a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients to your collagen-rich tissues. For men over 60, this combination is a game changer. You're not just repairing the surface, you're rebuilding from the inside out. Your skin becomes more resistant to sagging, your joints feel smoother, and you wake up feeling more energized at night instead of sluggish. And the best part? These foods are simple to add to your daily routine. No expensive powders, no complicated diet plans, just nature's own collagen activators, working in harmony with your body. In the next section, I'll show you how to add these 3 nuts into your daily life, the best times to eat them, and the exact serving sizes that maximize collagen production without adding unwanted weight. Now that you know why these 3 nuts are so powerful, let's talk about how to make them a seamless part of your day, without turning your diet upside down. The goal is to get just enough to trigger collagen production, protect your skin and joints, and boost your nighttime vitality, without overloading on calories. 1. Cashews. Morning energy and collagen. Kickstart. Cashews work beautifully in the morning because their copper and healthy fats give your collagen-making enzymes exactly what they need to start the day strong. You can enjoy A small handful, about 1 ounce, alongside your breakfast smoothie. Chopped cashews sprinkled on oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or whole grain toast. Mixed into a veggie scramble for a savory boost. 2. Walnuts. Afternoon anti-inflammatory armor. Walnuts shine when eaten midday or early afternoon. That's when inflammation from daily stress, movement, and even sun exposure tends to spike. Walnuts can calm that inflammation before it eats away at your collagen. Try 7 to 10 walnut halves as a mid-afternoon snack. Tossed into salads with leafy greens, tomatoes, and olive oil. Added to whole grain wraps or sandwiches for a satisfying crunch. 3. Flaxseeds. Nighttime recovery fuel. Flax seeds are perfect in the evening because they help optimize circulation and support hormone balance while you sleep. This means more effective tissue repair and collagen regeneration overnight. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds stirred into a warm herbal tea or almond milk before bed, mixed into soups or stews at dinner, blended into an evening smoothie with berries and plant-based milk. Quick tip: always use ground flax seeds, not whole, because your body can't break down the outer shell of whole seeds to access the nutrients. Timing is everything. By spreading these nuts throughout the day, cashews in the morning, walnuts in the afternoon, flax seeds in the evening, you give your body a continuous flow of collagen-friendly nutrients. This approach is far more effective than eating them all at once. Extra benefit: all 3 help with nighttime vitality. Cashews' magnesium supports deep sleep. Walnuts' melatonin helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, and flax seeds' healthy fats keep your blood sugar stable overnight, preventing those 2 a.m. energy crashes. In the next section, I'll give you a simple step-by-step action plan that ties it all together so you can start protecting your collagen, improving your skin and joints, and feeling younger, starting tomorrow. You don't need a complicated regimen to protect your collagen. Keep your skin firm, your joints smooth, and your nighttime vitality strong. You just need a clear, repeatable plan, one you can stick with every single day without feeling overwhelmed. Here's how to make it happen. Step 1. Stock your kitchen. Buy raw or lightly roasted cashews, fresh walnuts, and ground flax seeds. Avoid heavily salted or sugar-coated varieties. They can counteract the anti-inflammatory benefits. Store walnuts in the refrigerator to keep their healthy oils fresh. Step 2. Follow the 3-part daily nut schedule. Morning, eat 1 ounce of cashews with breakfast or as a mid-morning snack. This gives your body copper and healthy fats early in the day to start collagen production. Afternoon, have 7 to 10 walnut halves to reduce inflammation and protect existing collagen. Evening, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds into a smoothie, tea, or soup before bed for overnight tissue repair. Step 3. Pair with collagen-friendly foods. Collagen production thrives when you combine these nuts with vitamin C-rich foods like berries, citrus or bell peppers, and lean protein sources like fish, chicken, or legumes. Vitamin C helps your body stitch collagen fibers together, while protein provides the amino acids needed to build them. Step 4. Hydrate and move daily. Good hydration keeps collagen fibers supple, while light exercise improves circulation, helping the nutrients from your nuts reach your skin, joints, and muscles. Aim for at least 8 cups of water and 20 to 30 minutes of light movement daily. Step 5. Stay consistent. The benefits won't show overnight, but within 30 to 60 days you may notice firmer skin, fewer aches in your joints, and better nighttime energy. Consistency is the key. Think of this as a permanent lifestyle shift, not a quick fix. Pro tip: Keep small jars of cashews and walnuts at your desk or in your car, and pre-portion your flax seeds into containers so you never skip a dose. When followed daily, this plan ensures your body is constantly supplied with the minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants it needs to trigger collagen production, shield it from damage, and support total body vitality, even after 60. In our final section, I'll show you why this collagen-focused approach doesn't just slow aging. It empowers you to take control of how you age, so you feel strong, confident, and youthful for years to come. Aging is inevitable, but how you age is largely in your hands. For many men over 60, the difference between feeling worn down and feeling vibrant comes down to one thing: how well they protect and rebuild their collagen. By making cashews, walnuts, and flax seeds a daily habit, you're not just eating healthier, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to stay strong from the inside out. Every bite supports your skin's structure, cushions your joints, and fuels your muscles for nighttime recovery. This means you can keep doing the things you love, whether it's playing with your grandkids, golfing with friends, or enjoying active travel, without the aches, stiffness, or fatigue that slow so many men down. More importantly, you're sending a powerful message to yourself. I'm not giving in to the stereotype of aging. You're taking responsibility for your body's future, one intentional choice at a time. That mindset is just as important as the nutrition itself. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you catch your reflection in the mirror. Your skin looks firmer, your posture is stronger, and you're moving without hesitation. Friends might ask what you've been doing differently. You can smile, knowing it started with something as simple and as powerful as 3 types of nuts. And it's not just about appearance or movement, it's about confidence. When your body feels good, you stand taller, you think sharper, and you approach each day with more energy. That confidence radiates, influencing your relationships, your mood, and even your willingness to take on new adventures. This is the power of taking control. You can't stop the clock, but you can slow its effects. You can choose foods that work with your biology, protect what you have, and rebuild what's been lost. Cashews, walnuts, and flax seeds aren't magic, but combined with consistency, they might feel pretty close. So, starting tomorrow morning, make the choice. Grab a handful of cashews. Enjoy those walnuts in the afternoon. Stir flax seeds into your evening drink. Do it every day. Your body will thank you, not just now, but for years to come. Because staying young isn't about denying your age. It's about defying its limits.